I'm not a professional musician, but if I wanted to be one, this is what I'd do. Practice every day till you get good. Put those 10,000 hours in. I developed my own style. Because if you just do what everybody else is doing, why would they listen? All right, next, I'd start a YouTube channel to build my following, and I'd start with doing cover songs of popular bands and music with the style that I developed. All right, so after I built my YouTube following, I would start to go live regularly and consistently with my audience on places like Facebook, Instagram, and wherever, so I can interact with my audience and share some behind the scenes too. People love that, just like this. All right, guys, what do you think of this song? Yeah! Oh, amazing song, Pat. So great seeing behind the scenes. My God, I cried, Pat. Cool tunes, dude. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Yeah. And to expand my reach even further, I would hook up with other talented musicians and do collaborations. And I would also take the time to reply to every single direct message or public message that came my way. And the reason why that's really important to do is because that one-to-one interaction is key for building raving fans who will continue to come back and listen to your music. Not only that, that's a great way to stand out from all the other bigger musicians out there who just don't have the time and the bandwidth to do that. So I'm gonna reply to Jacques here, but not with a text, with a video instead. Hey Jacques, it's Pat Flynn here. Just want to thank you so much for your support. Keep listening, thank you, and I look forward to seeing you again. Bye. It's as easy as that. The hardest part of all this, because you're gonna be grinding, you're gonna be hustling, you're gonna be saying yes to every single gig and opportunity out there, especially when you're doing it at the start. You're gonna be doing it for free, just to get your name out there. It's difficult. And I would imagine that most people, when they come to those struggles, they give up. They go back to whatever job they were initially doing, or just kind of just believe that they were always an amateur. But what separates those who win from those who fail are those who don't give up versus those who don't think they deserve it. You deserve it. If it's something that you want, go and get it. And the truth is, if you don't believe it's gonna happen, then guess what? It's not. So believe in yourself, do it, and you can make anything happen. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. Obviously, I'm not a full-time musician, but I do full-time help people build businesses from the talents and skills that they have in all areas of life. And if you are a musician yourself, leave a comment below. I'd love to learn more about the kind of music you play and where I can find more about you. If you have like a SoundCloud link or something, let me know. But anyway, I'm just very, very thankful that you stuck around and watched this video. And I am learning guitar. I just kind of learned how to pick up tabs back in the day, but I'm learning for real now. I picked up a Gibson here, very similar to the one from Back to the Future, if you didn't recognize it. And a big special shout out to Lee Anderson, who kind of inspired me to start playing again. He is over at playguitarpodcast.com if you want to check him out. He's a great guy. And again, thanks, Lee, for all that. And I'm looking forward to getting better over time. So, hey, best of luck to you. Thank you again. If you're a musician, leave a comment below. And I appreciate you. Thanks again. Here's my song. Make sure you subscribe, by the way. It'd be awesome. Like, do it now. Oh, jeez. Thanks, guys.